Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please enjoy the video, and if you do enjoy it, please comment down below and like before you leave. I just wanted to get into this before I make this video too long. So Twitter is going wild right now because this guy's video from Instagram made it onto Twitter, where the guy was dancing with their child, and basically instead of people praising him for being a present father and enjoying the child's moments, people are talking about his private part, because it's literally the most visible thing and the most thing that seems to have been advertised. I feel like the wife, when she posted this, she wanted people to talk, she wanted controversy, she wanted people to compliment or comment on her wife's, her husband's thing, which I feel is disgusting. Honestly, I feel like you shouldn't do this, and especially if you're gonna do it with your child present. Yes, it's a baby. Yes, the baby can't see or doesn't know anything that's going on, but the baby is gonna grow up. The baby is gonna know when they are older that this is what the father did, and their friends are gonna laugh at. Sorry, are gonna laugh at them or say something nasty because of this nonsense that this guy is doing. I mean, Faith Kids did this. We remember a video of her and Davido, but at least she was alone. Is it Davido? I stand to be corrected. She was alone. There was no child there, but then her child is gonna see that when she's older, and her friends are gonna make fun, because the internet doesn't forget. That's the thing. So whatever we do on the internet, especially if it's gonna affect our kids, we're not doing anything good. It's gonna mess them up. It's gonna mess up their lives. But this is what other people had to say, child. Maybe I'm riled up and angry because I'm a conservative person, but this is what other people had to say about this whole situation. If you want to display stupidity, do it. Just leave the child out of it, bro. I feel sorry for the killed kid already. A shameless whore of a man. That's what another person said. I wonder how women settle down with shameless men like this. I keep telling women you can't turn a horror of a husband into a husband or a father. His past matters and can never be erased. Funny how it's his wife recording both the husband and the child. I think she is more proud of all her babies. Found that also more ridiculous and more shocking, because how could you do this as a wife? Why would you do something like this? Someone else said this is irresponsible and shameful. The person said most men don't know when they do these things. It tells women they are insecure. And trust me, men who do these kind of things are at the bottom tier. And another person said, you can tell a man who grew up in a motherless household. Imagine growing up and seeing a video of your father showing his deep print and size whilst carrying you. A lot of people were saying this is shameful, like a lot of people, but there were some women who were saying, but us girls also do these things where we twerk with our kids present, or where we post pictures that are half naked and all of those things. Maybe this is just me having double standards, but I feel like this is way too far compared to someone who posts with a bikini, or like a woman who posts with a bikini with their child present, or a woman who posts twerking. I feel like this is way too much. Maybe this is just me having double standards as a woman. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next video.